In this video you'll see the process of replacement a weather strip that goes around the garage door by ABN Painting. Here we purchased two new weather strips that we need to replace, and we're going to replace one of them on camera. Here we're measuring the length that we need. We mark the length on a new piece and then cut it to the needed size. Here we are removing the old weather strip. Usually there is caulk that connects the weather strip to the stucco that seals it. This weather stripping is really old and it doesn't have any caulk anymore, but after we remove the old weather strip we're going to scrape the surface anyway, just to make sure that it's smooth and the new piece fits well. Here we're installing a new weather strip. Usually we put one nail at the top, one in the middle, and one in the bottom, and when we see it fits well, then we put a few more nails in between. Here we're using caulk to seal any gap between the weather strip and stucco, and once we squeeze it out of the tube we use brush to spread it around. This is after we finished. And this is the look after we painted the entire house.